Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to organize your products on Shopify and make it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for, you've come to the right place because today we're going to learn how to add products to collections in Shopify. We believe it's a crucial step for optimizing your store. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right. So collections makes it easier for customers to find products that are relevant to their needs and interests because when products are grouped into logical categories, shoppers can navigate your store more efficiently. And most of the time, featured collections on your homepage or category specific pages can highlight specific products, promotions, or new arrivals, increasing their visibility and sales potential. Also, a well-structured collections can improve your store's search engine optimization, like SEO, because search engines favor organized and user-friendly websites, potentially boosting your site's ranking. So right now, I'm here at Shopify.com. You might want to use the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome, but it's okay if you're using Safari, Firefox, Brave, Opera. And if you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up. It's free and easy, right? And here, I'm here at the search section. I type in collection, and you might wanna. It's here around custom data, and you can. Depends on your subscription, but you can just see your collections in the left part of your dashboard here. So let's check some. Let's add a name for our collection. Let's say Easy Earl, right? In the description, probably training video. You're gonna hover in search, all right? What about single line text? Okay. And then once you've done that, you can add item. If you already have the item, all right, on your store, you're just gonna save it. All right. So that's how you do it. That's how you add product to your collections. We believe it's a valuable strategy for improving the organization and presentation of your online store, enhancing the customer experience and driving sales. But if you're lost during the navigation process, I suggest you go here at Shopify Help Center. And once you are in the Shopify Help Center, there's a topic here to how to add products to collection. Right here, it's very helpful and informative. Right here, so I suggest you read and understand all of this because collections, as I've mentioned, can be used to conduct test products, allowing you to compare the performance of different product groupings and determine which ones resonate better with your audience. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And thank you for all our subscribers who relentlessly sharing our links to their um, multimedia platforms. And I will see you all in the next one.